This is a short yoga pranayama practice for the afternoon to restore vitality, energy, but also balance the nervous system. It's a two-part inhale krama. Krama, Sanskrit, means steps. So two-part inhale, slight hold after the inhale to promote vitality and energy, and a lengthening of exhalation. So let's begin. The first part will be in the chest. The second part of the inhale will be in the navel. Exhale completely. Inhale 3 counts to the chest, 4 counts to the navel. Belly relaxes. Pause full. Exhale 8 seconds. Three counts chest, 4 counts navel. Pause full. Expand the chest. Exhale 8. Inhale 3 counts to the chest, 4 counts navel. Pause full. Expand the chest. Draw the navel in. And exhale 8. Please continue for 12 rounds. Namaste.